Welcome to Danfoss IXA. Hi, I'm Morten, Service and Support Manager. Today I want to talk to you about what's essential for you to maintain the MES 1001 and the MES 1001 MARPOL system. Both systems is an important piece of equipment for your vessel and helps to ensure compliance with environmental regulations. But to keep it functioning correctly, regular maintenance is crucial. Servicing your MES 1001 and MES 1001 MARPOL system is vital for compliance with environmental regulations. Regular air filter changes, keeping the analyzer in standby mode with compressed air when not in use, cleaning the probe and replacing the UV light when needed will keep your vessel compliant and your analyzer running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and please don't hesitate to contact us if you have any question about how to maintain your Danfoss IXA analyzer.